Welcome to your daily dose of dividend. Medtronic is a Fortune 500 company within the medical devices industry. The stock price has underperformed the S&P 500 index over the last 10 years, even with dividends reinvested. Let's briefly analyze some key fundamentals. Data is based on a 5-year average. Sales growth, 0.9%. Earnings growth, 0.8%. Earnings estimates, 11.19%. Return on capital, 6.1%. Debt to free cash flow, 5.04 years. Share buybacks, yes. Now for some dividend metrics. Dividend yield, 2.51%. Payout ratio, 43.84%. Growth rate, 8.14%. Growth years, 44 years. That gives Medtronic 6 out of 10 points. Well, that's a mediocre score. You might want to re-evaluate Medtronic if you already own it in your dividend portfolio. Based on historical multiples and future estimates, Medtronic is modestly undervalued. Don't forget to subscribe and please come back tomorrow for another quick analysis. Have a great day.